All right, so just like the Nearpod, we're going to demonstrate a subtraction problem. So our subtraction problem is going to be 18 minus 5. All right, equals something done. So we're going to put that there, and then we're going to open a 20 box just because it's easier. Let's see, let's do the frogs. Okay, so we're gonna do 18 frogs. So we're gonna do 10, and we're gonna do 5. Let's move them over. 6, 7, 8. All right, so right here in this box shows 18 frogs. So what we're going to do is we're going to take away 5. So we're going to change the color of the frogs to black. And when we take away 5, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then the answer to this problem is going to be all of the blue frogs. So we're going to count all the blue frogs. Right here is 10. So we have 10, 11, 12, 13. So 18 minus 5 equals 13. You can put that in here. Or let's do equals 13. Done. And then we can figure this out by adding the 5 to the 13. So 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And that is our answer.